Hello everybody, this is Sean, and I've got Cisco with me.
Hello.
Today we're going to be opening up a Touristen Verbandeuse. It's the Utermolen first aid kit. Verbandeuse is Dutch for bandage box, which is colloquial, I guess, for a first aid kit.
And apologies for the pronunciations on everything going on from here. We have no idea how to speak Dutch, nor have we made really any effort to find out.
Yeah, no, I just googled what some of the words meant so that we knew that this meant bandage box or first aid kit, and we just went from there.
I haven't seen anything past this. Yeah, we actually got this out of our vehicle, which we recently purchased. You might have seen the hood of it in one of our more recent videos when we drove through downtown Vancouver. But yeah, this was found in the glove box. And I'm very excited to see.
It's a 1978 AMC.
Concord.
And we're not really sure how old this kit is that was in there, but maybe we'll find out during this.
I'm guessing it's from the 70s, but we'll find out in a second. Hopefully. Ooh.
Oh, Utermolen's Touristen Verbandeuse.
I'm guessing this is some sort of tourist first aid kit.
It's got an antiseptic smell that's really strong coming out of there, too.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. Watten roll, Busche, Blutstelpend, Watten. I think that's a one of those styptic pencils.
Oh, yeah.
Watten roll is probably like cotton roll. Compress hydrogenated gas. That's like a cleaned compress, maybe?
Probably, yeah, given its dimensions.
And Winsel, I know, is bandage. So it's probably like a cleaned bandage.
So we probably got couple types of bandage on there.
Yeah, more bandages. Some plasters and envelopes, which are actual band-aids. Bottle of iodine. Snelverband, whatever that is, and some Kleefpleister.
Ooh, Cleef blister.
Yeah, because Yodium, I know that one is iodine.
Okay, so you've got some general antiseptics and
Some crystallization on there, if I can get it to focus.
ooh,
That's neat.
or that's mold. One or the other. We'll
It
find.
smells...
It's got a weird smell to it.
Oh, this one's been opened.
Okay, so somebody did use this at one point.
Yeah, they used one of them.
Huh.
It is a nice, good bandage.
It's a Europlast.
10 by 8 centimeters.
I mean, we did need bandages. Don't know if I need a 40-year-old bandage, but...
Pleister.
50-year-old bandage. I don't know.
Vitaplast.
I'm guessing that's
Look in there. Yeah, that's bandage.
Yeah, okay.
It's like some like grippy plaster stuff, like the old style one with the latex on it, I think. Do we want to cut that and look, or no?
No, it's
Here,
just...
let me try to zoom into there.
I think they're just strips.
There we go. Yeah, I think it is just strips in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
The paper's really brittle. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's seen some age.
Yeah,
Ooh.
these are sterile bandages, I suppose.
And now we're on to the interesting bits.
What's this? Oh,
Some gauze.
some hydrophobic compress. Gauze there. Keep your shit dry after you cut it all up.
I mean, considering its age, this is looking in immaculate shape. If anyone knows anything about the manufacturer or anything about this, I would love to know more.
There's no dates on there or anything. This is Watten roll.
Amsterdam. It says on the very bottom there.
Yeah. Well, I think this is the cotton roll again. Maybe.
And we got
Snelverband.
Snelverband. Huh. Any idea what that is?
We might have to translate these ones further.
If we can figure it out, we'll overlay what it is.
Just the side of the screen there.
But for now, it remains a mystery. I don't really want to open this up.
No, I want to leave those sealed, Deborah.
Our cat is also interested in what's going on. Compress?
Cambric Windeel?
No, medical?
It's like a combat, or a compress, or like another sticky thing.
It's like a tape without the tape. Or without the sticky bit.
Bismuth.
Yeah, that's got some leakage on that, if you can see on the bottom corner. It's changed color. Bismuth. For upset stomachs, I can assume? This is just going to be a weird, nasty powder. I would advise against opening this, but this is going to be a very expired powder of bismuth. Our cat does not like this. It's wax paper. Yeah, it's just a cake of bismuth?
Oh.
Ew. Yeah, it's just a powdered bismuth cake.
Okay. That's enough of that one.
Just fold that back up there. Huh. Interesting to see.
Don't know if I need that.
I don't know if that was super common in med kits back in the day.
But
there it
useful. Yeah, let's see.
What's that? We've got
A stack of 4 bandages.
oh,
Let's zoom in on there.
all of this paper is
Compress on there, it says.
super yellowed.
No dates or anything on these. And they are identical.
Oh, I
They
see.
smell. That's probably the bismuth smell.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
stronger now that I
opened the pack.
yeah, there's a bit of tape there.
Okay. Oh, and we have a series of tubes.
4 bandages first. With some iodine stain on there.
Oh, what is that glass tube?
Well, I'm getting to the glass tube.
Okay.
Got more of these little windy things. We've got
A tiny box of
Kleefpleister.
Kleefpleister.
And there's a chemical burn on this box.
What is Kleefpleister? Oh.
I think that box is stuck closed because of whatever.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Little bit of damage to the front, just getting it popped and
Another little plaster.
oh,
It's the bandage.
tiny bit of medical tape.
Okay. Probably gummed up and useless by this point.
I wouldn't try and use any of this.
No, I'm not going to keep this in my car.
No, this is just
Staring at this. There's the upside down label.
Styptic pencil?
Chinine Watton. Whew. Whatever that is, I don't know. I'm going to translate that for you guys as well.
It's a...
And I'll put it on screen.
And... don't really want to open this.
No. Picrinacum Voerbrandwan Behandling Vita.
Is there anything in it?
Whatever it is, it's leaked out. You can see a bit of powder in there.
Yeah.
We'll have to translate that too, just to see what it says.
Yeah, there's nothing in there anymore, but...
Picrinacum 88. Weird, yeah, and its seal broke. Whatever it is leaked out. I'm gonna wash the hell out of my hands after this.
Remember, kids, don't touch your face.
This thing is not labeled.
It's... oh, there's some really dark coloring on it. It's completely empty with some residue.
I think this was what had the iodine before.
Oh yeah, that would make sense.
Weird.
Interesting.
Very strong scent from that one. This probably isn't healthy for us. Mercurochrome. I am putting that down.
Yeah, we're not opening that.
And this is another
I might be opening this.
empty bottle. Oh, this is a full bottle of probably iodine. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's purplish. This is iodine.
Mercurochrome.
Let me see that mercurochrome. No, don't do this at home, kids. This stuff is very toxic. There it is. Oh, that's probably what's in those other unlabeled ones that we looked at.
It's really red.
It's mercury and iodine and stuff, I think. We should put that back in there before we accidentally get some on our hands.
There's a little bit of residue on the cap.
And is that a date on the corner there?
I think it's just a batch number 556.
Turn left more. Oh, that's their telephone number. Batch 27. Well, we're going to have to look up how long ago mercurochrome was actually involved in first aid kits.
But,
And we'll get back to you on that. But that's probably what those is. And that means that perhaps we've been touching things that are completely covered in mercury.
which is,
Concerning.
a little concerning, but in a time where we're not touching our faces anyway. Don't touch your face.
Yeah, don't touch your face. I'm going to pack everything back in here.
And wash our hands very thoroughly.
But for now, thank you for watching.
This
And
was an interesting experience.
it was a very interesting experience. And I'm glad that you could all be here to go on it with us.
Anyway, have a fantastic evening, morning, or weekend, quarantine, whatever you're going through.
Goodbye.